This beautiful 9-acre farmette with a 3-bedroom, 1.5-bath house is classically styled and has plenty of room for enjoying country living. Just east of Stoughton, it gives you quick access to town and the interstate. The property also includes a barn, machine shed, detached and heated garage, and corral area. Field beyond corral has been used for hay. This home exudes Wisconsin farmhouse charm with beautiful wood floors adorning the kitchen, dining room, living room, and laundry room on the main level, as well as partially upstairs. Main floor stays true to its late 19th century design, but with modern upgrades, such as solid surfaces in the kitchen for an up-to-date finish. Soak in fabulous views from the large deck and hot tub. Upstairs contains all 3 bedrooms and a full bath with tile floor. 9 in-wall cabinets are a neat feature.